Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to safeguard your wallet against hacks. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description right below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you simple steps to safeguard your wallet against hacks. As you know already, there are a lot of hacks that happen on the crypto space from day to day, and a lot of it is attributed to carelessness on the part of the users. And so it is important for you to actually know what to do to safeguard your wallet against hacks. And these are basically simple things you can actually just look into, but a lot of people neglect them. And whatever you neglect in the crypto space, you are going to pay dearly for it. And that's why we have brought this video to you today, to show you how you can, in simple steps, safeguard your wallet from hacks. So I'm going to be using Trust Wallet as a reference for this video. So if you don't have Trust Wallet already on your device, you can go ahead to Play Store. All right, you can go ahead to Play Store and type it in the search bar, Trust Wallet. All right, Trust Wallet, and yeah, it's right here. So it's already writing installed here because I have it already on this device. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and open Trust Wallet. So I am right here in Trust Wallet. Okay, I'm right here in Trust Wallet. Now, one of the key things for you to take note of is the fact that your wallet is on your device and anybody can have access to your device. I mean, you could even give somebody your device or your laptop, right? And if your wallet is not well safeguarded, those you give your device to can actually have access to your crypto assets. So you want to set up some security measures to ensure that even while your phone is not with you, nobody else can access your wallet. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to settings. Okay, if you look at the top of the page by the left hand side, you will see the settings icon. So we'll click on setting. Now when you get to setting, you just scroll down and come to security. All right, you scroll down and come to security. Okay, you scroll down and then you open up the security. Now when you open up the security tab, you can see security scanner, you can see passcode, you can see auto lock, you can see lock method, and you can see transaction signing. All right, so for the security scanner, make sure that you mark the toggle. Okay, you can see there is a button in front of it. Just click on it and toggle it to turn it on. So it is already on for this wallet. Okay, make sure you turn it on in case you want to perform high risk transactions, or in the case of hackers wanting to access your wallet, they want to perform high risk transactions by hacking your wallet. You can actually prevent that by turning on this setting in your Trust Wallet. Also, you can also safeguard your wallet by turning on the passcode. Okay, you can see I have it turned on already in this wallet. You can actually safeguard your wallet by turning on your passcode, and when you turn on your passcode, Trust Wallet would require that you input the code you want to use to be entering the platform, the application every time you want to log in. Okay, also you can use the lock method of biometrics or passcode. Okay, if you have fingerprints on your device, you can actually use your fingerprint to access your wallet. Okay, and also you can see transaction signing, ask for approval ahead of transaction. So every transaction that will take place on your wallet, we always require your approval, and you can only carry out transaction after you have you have given your approval. All right, you have given your approval. So that is very key, and that is very, very important in securing your wallet. If you put all of this in place, it is almost impossible for your wallet to be hacked. And these are simple measures that you can actually take note of to safeguard your wallet. I really hope this video was helpful. If you do have any questions about what I just taught you about, please drop it in the comment section. Also, I would enjoin you to like this video so that more people can get to see it and also benefit from it. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on post notification bell for more educative content like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.